Ayan, haba.
Gawin niyo na sa akin lahat. Hoy, nails.
Yep.
My look is actually inspired by the new color of the B11, which is what I chose, the Starry Night. There you go. Careful. And kung may mga selfie of course, Saturday. Kasi yung mga OFW natin mga kababayan, minsan lang magkaroon ng break sa ibang bansa at kayo yung mga pagbigay ng kasiyahan sa kanila. So, that must have been awesome. Alright, and now for Daniela Padilla. By the way, congratulations dahil nag-surpass ng 500 million peso mark. I also number 9, if I'm not mistaken. Congratulations. Now, after ng success ng The House of Us, ano pa ang iyong mga upcoming projects you wanna know?
Siyempre, first of all, I'd like to thank lahat ng nanonood ng
Thank you guys. You may now leave the stage and we will be listening to